Hello, in this video I want to show you how the Bleach action works. It's really simple. What you need to do is select the action and play it. And now you will see two different groups. The top one, it's a 0% opacity. You can work with this opacity, and this is where you want to work. I'm gonna select this layer mask, and I'm gonna select black color, and I'm gonna paint something like this to protect any yellow tone in skin, so we will not affect this. Maybe if you want to do something with this, maybe, why not? And that's pretty all. In the case you want to add more bleaching to this, all you need to do is increase the opacity of the top group. For example, something like this. And that's all. As you can see now, everything is really white and looks pretty clean. So that's all. I hope you can follow these instructions. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.